Hello, I'm going to show you how I did Java Assignment 4 for CSC 110. The instructions are to update Assignment 2 to generate a random monetary amount instead of importing from the keyboard, then use java.decimal format or number format to print the output appropriately. Go over to Eclipse. Alright, so to generate the random number, you just use random, rand equals new random. You have to import java.util random. And then I imported number format too, so it prints out as a dollar amount. Or correctly, I don't know. So first, here are all my declarations. And then this is, we have some integer, and it equals a random integer from between 1 and 100. That's why it's 100 plus 1, otherwise it would be 0 to 99. So then our amount equals rand.x float and some int, so this makes the integer become a float. That way you have decimal points, and then we apply the monetary format and we print the dollar amount. So for tens, you take whatever amount was randomly generated and divide it by 10, and that equals the amount and the remainder. And then you take that and divide it by 5, you take the remainder of that, and you continue with all of these to get quarters, dimes, nickels, pennies. And then you just take all of these because they're stored in our variable here and print them out. And I declared all of these down here because it was a lot less time than doing it up at the top. But for the last one, pennies, I had to print the float of pennies as an integer because otherwise it would print out wrong. It would print out 3 when it was really like 3.99999. So I was losing all those decimals when it should have been 4 instead of 3.99999. So that's why I have that. On PCs, it didn't seem to matter, but I had to do it on my Mac, so there we go. So here I generated a random monetary amount. The computer does it, you run the program, generates that random monetary amount. And so you have two $10 bills, and then $1 bill. Oh, sorry, you have 4 $1 bills, and then 2 pennies. And that makes 24.02. Alright, well that is the end of this tutorial. I hope it helps.